We are going to take the derivative of arc cosine of x to the 3/2 over square root of arc cosine of x. First thing we'll want to do is rewrite this, so we have arc cosine of x to the 3/2 over square root of arc cosine of x is equal to arc cosine of x to the 1/2. And now we have arc cosine of x in the denominator of to the 1/2. That's the same thing as saying arc cosine of x to the negative 1/2. So now we can rewrite this again as arc cosine of x to the 3/2 times arc cosine of x to the negative 1/2. And since when you multiply factors with like bases, you add the exponents, we can do the following. We can say y equals arc cosine of x to the 3/2 minus 1/2. Let me write these exponents in a similar way. We have arc cosine of x to the 3/2 minus 1/2. And 3/2 minus 1/2 is going to be 2/2. So we can rewrite as arc cosine of x to the 2/2, which is just equal to y equals arc cosine of x to the 1, because 2 over 2 is equal to 1, so we can just forget about that because that is just arc cosine of x. And then we have solved in a previous video that the derivative of y with respect to x, let's just go ahead and write it out, dy dx equals derivative with respect to x of arc cosine of x. And we already did a derivation video for the derivative of arc cosine of x with respect to x. It is -1 over square root of 1 minus x squared, and we are done.